guys, welcome back to another DIY. So today's video is really exciting for me because I'm going to be sharing a natural face wash that I've been using. I think it's perfect for any skin type, but it's especially beneficial for acne prone skin. And you'll only be needing 4 really simple ingredients for this. So let's go ahead and get started. Raw honey is the main ingredient in this homemade face wash. It's the perfect cleanser for problematic skin because of its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps cleanse the skin without stripping it of its natural oils like most store-bought cleansers do. It also locks in the moisture so your face will feel so soft and hydrated. But to get all the nutrients and enzyme benefits of honey, you want to make sure it's not pasteurized. So any kind of raw and unfiltered honey is good, but I personally like using Manuka honey because it's much more potent, so its healing properties are far greater than regular honey. We'll also be using castile soap for an even deeper cleansing action, and this is really nothing more than a very concentrated soap made from vegetable oils. It's natural, it's multi-purpose, you can use it for just about everything that needs cleaning. And you can use any castile soap you want, but I like to stick to the regular one, which is unscented. The third ingredient in this face wash is jojoba oil. The best way to dissolve sebum is by using something that's also very similar, and jojoba oil closely resembles our skin's natural sebum. Oil dissolves oil, so it's a natural way of gently cleansing the skin while balancing oil production, which is key when you're dealing with acne. And lastly, we're going to add tea tree oil, which is known to help clear acne thanks to its antibacterial properties, and it's also one of my favorite scents in any face wash. So in a glass soap dispenser, you want to add a 1/4 cup of castile soap, a 1/3 cup of raw honey, 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, and 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Shake this until the honey is fully combined with the rest of the ingredients, and you're also going to want to do this before each use because it will separate. And now pump some into your hand and use like you would any facial cleanser. Rub it in circular motions all over your face and rinse when you're done. So I hope you guys make this and love it as much as I do. There's really nothing like knowing that what you're putting on your skin is all natural, and aside from that, that it's beneficial, and you also end up saving a lot of money in the long run too. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!